Good evening, children. So yesterday we have learnt about the how polar bear adapt to the cold regions. Yes, I have told you some special features. Can you remember? Yes, today we will see about penguins. See the feet of penguins, children. See, it is very thick. Okay. So, penguins also good swimmers. Their body is streamlined and their feet have webs and making them good swimmers. See, these feet have webs. Okay. So, it helps penguins to swim well. Okay. Other animals living in the polar regions are many types of fishes, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales and birds. It is to be noted that while fish can remain under cold water for long, birds must remain warm to survive. So they migrate to warmer regions when winter sets in. They come back to they come back after the winter is over. You know that probably India is one of the destinations of many of these birds. You must have seen or heard about the Siberian crane that comes from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. Okay. See those animals like reindeers, foxes, seals and whales are living. So fish is, we all know that fish can live in water, but in these cold water even fish are living there, and birds need some warmth. Birds they won't so birds need some warmness so that they are moving to warmer regions. Okay. So Siberian crane. So India is the best place to get to migrate for birds. So Siberian crane is coming from Siberia to Bharatpur and Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. So those places will be somewhat hot. So they will get some warmness in those places. Okay. And do fishes and butterflies also migrate like birds? Birds migrate agabna. Do fishes also and butterflies also migrate? Yes. Butterflies they will migrate by flying. Yes. But fishes they will travel. They will swim across various places. Okay. See here. Migratory birds in their habitat and migratory birds in flight. Okay. See, in their habitat they are first picture, they are moving, migrating to other places, that is the second picture. Okay. Did you know some migratory birds travel as much as 15,000 km to escape the extreme climatic conditions at home? Generally, they fly where the wind flow is helpful and the cold conditions allow them to disperse the heat by their flight muscles. But how these birds travel to the same place year after year is still a mystery. It seems that these birds have a built-in sense of direction and know in which direction to travel. Some birds probably use landmarks to guide them. Many birds may be guided by the sun during the day and stars at night. There is some evidences that birds may use the magnetic field of the earth to find the direction, and also it is not only the birds that migrate, mammals, many types of fish, insects also known to migrate seasonally in search of more hospitable climates. So, whichever the place they live is very much cold enough, they want to get warm enough, they want to move to some other places. Okay. See, some birds, some migratory birds are traveling 15,000 kilometers year by year. So, how much distance they are traveling and coming and taking rest and getting warming. So, it is wonderful. Yeah. See, and also they'll fly every year, they are accurately, they are exactly coming and getting warmness and staying in other places and um, staying and going. Okay, okay, and flying. How is it possible? Year by year they are coming correctly and flying away. So it is some birds they can use the landmarks. For example, if we want to go Karur, we will go by Molnur and Chirutaravan. Those are the landmarks we will use. Yes. So likewise, and also if in local we will go. If we want to go bus stand, we will use Pukade corner and we will go straight and we will turn. So like this landmarks we will prefer to reach the destination. So likewise, birds also use some landmarks and also they may be guided by sun. So sun during daytime and stars, they will be guided by stars at night time. And actually they have a sense of knowing the magnetic field. Okay, they may use the magnetic field of the earth to find the direction. And also not only birds are migrating, mammals, fishes or insects also migrating for hospitality. Okay, அவங்களுக்கு அந்த வேணுங்கிற அந்த அடாப்டேஷனுக்காக தே ஆர் மூவிங். ஓகே, அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான ஃபுட் அண்ட் அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான கிளைமேட் இதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே தே ஆர் மைக்ரேட்டிங் டு சம் அதர் பிளேசஸ். ஓகே, எஸ், and wetlands and of northeast and some other parts of India. Okay, so let us learn about tropical rainforest. So till now we have discussed about the cold regions animals. Yes, so from the cold region they are migrating to some other places. We have everything discussed. Now let us see about tropical rainforest. Okay, what is it? Tropical rainforest. Okay, see here.